Hey everyone, and welcome to our explainer on AI for students. In this lesson, we're going to dive into how you can use some really powerful and totally free AI tools to completely change the way you study. Seriously, forget those long nights of just reading and reading. It's time to study smarter, not harder. Okay, let's be real for a second. Does this look familiar? Page after page of your textbook is just a sea of neon yellow. But then when the exam rolls around, you still feel like you don't know anything. We've all been there, right? It's such a classic student problem. You feel like you're being productive, but you're not actually locking in the key information. Well, here is the good news. The solution isn't to somehow read faster. It's all about summarizing smarter. And that's what we're going to show you, exactly how to slice your review time in half using some incredible free AI tools. This is all about getting right to the core of what you actually need to know. So how does this all work? Is it magic? Kind of feels like it. But it's not just about making a long article shorter. AI has two very different ways of understanding and shrinking down information. And trust me, knowing the difference is the secret to creating study notes that actually work. Now, this is where it gets really interesting. You've got two main methods. On one side, there's extractive summarization. The easiest way to think about this is like a really smart copy and paste. The AI literally finds and pulls out the most important sentences directly from the text. It's great if you need to keep the original wording. But then you have abstractive. This is the real game changer. This is where the AI actually reads, understands the concepts, and then rewrites a totally new summary in its own words. And this is exactly why the tools we're talking about today are so powerful. Both Gemini and ChatGPT are absolute pros at abstractive summarization. This means they don't just give you a highlight reel of sentences. No, they give you a fresh, easy-to-understand study guide that's built to help you really get it. Okay, so now that you get the how, let's build your personal toolkit. Because not all AI tools are the same, and knowing which one to grab for a specific task, well, that's crucial for getting the best results. Alright, let's get super practical here. So picture this. You have a massive 50-page research paper or a long lecture you need to review. For that, Gemini is your best friend. It can handle a huge amount of text all at once, what's called a long context window. Now, what if you're just stuck on one super dense paragraph in your chemistry textbook? That's where ChatGPT shines. It is fantastic at simplifying things. Quick pro tip, ask it to explain this like I'm 5. It's a lifesaver. And finally, if you're writing a paper and you need a summary with sources you can check, you absolutely want to use Perplexity. It gives you citations right with its answers, which is a must-have for any academic work. So you're probably thinking, okay, this sounds great, but how do I actually do it? Well, it's a simple 3-step process. This isn't just theory. This is your new shortcut to better notes, and you can start today. Now, this is probably the most important part. The quality of the summary you get out depends completely on the quality of the instructions you put in. Don't just paste some text and say, summarize. You have to be specific. Use a template like this one. Tell the AI what role to play, like act as a helpful biology tutor. Tell it the format you want. Maybe you want bullet points or a set of flashcards. And tell it your key goal, like focus on the main vocabulary terms. Giving it these details makes all the difference in the world. But wait, before you dive in, we need to talk about a few common traps. Using these tools like a pro means understanding what they can't do and avoiding the rookie mistakes a lot of people make at the beginning. First, and this is a big one, don't just outsource your brain. AI is a study partner, not a replacement for you. You still need to read the original text to get the full picture. Second, formatting matters. Don't just paste a giant wall of text. If the original has headings and paragraphs, keep them. It helps the AI understand the structure. And finally, and I can't stress this enough, you have to check the facts, especially for really important data. If you need to be sure, use a tool like Perplexity to cross-reference and find the source. Alright, enough talk. Theory is great, but practice is where you really start to learn. So now it's your turn to put this to the test with a simple but really powerful challenge. Ready to beat the textbook? Paste your toughest chapter into Gemini and use that abstract prompt. See the results for yourself. Don't forget to like this video, drop your results in the comments, and subscribe to AI Simplified Lab for more essential AI tricks.